In this session, we'll learn how to register R&D workflow. WMS module defines and maps complex multi-step R&D workflows. Let's click Register button. At first, Project Selection window opens. Project selection of Labnote is prerequisite. Parameters of the selected project are loaded. Register window is composed of two sections, General and Content. Labnote component section provides the standard conditions of input fields for Labnote registration. Available parameters depends on the selected project. Information specifies general information for workflow, and Content section allows drawing workflow and entering detailed information. Information section consists of Labnote name, category, and reference. Enter Labnote title. Document number is not prerequisite. Initial version is 1.0 and status is preliminary. Assign date on which the Labnote is issued and type keywords. Please enter keywords carefully because you can search the Labnote by keywords in the search menu. Category is an index to classify the Labnote, and also you can search Labnote by category. You can add a category from Labnote component section to category panel. Expand section category folder and add initial development category by drag and drop or double clicking. Next, register reference information related to the Labnote. According to reference type, select paper or patent and so on. The supported reference formats are file, text, and website URL. Once you finish entering general information, let's open Content panel. Workflow window is work area for designing, viewing, and modifying the entire workflow. Workflow consists of stage and material. Stage means unit process during a series of research process. You can manage frequently used stage as template and search it. To add new stage objects, click the New Stage button. Repeat clicking to make 4 stages. Move the stages to a new location by clicking and dragging. And connect objects with an arrow line by clicking and dragging from the border line of first object to the second object. When you release the mouse button, the arrow line is created. Next, we'll add materials. Click Material tab and enter material name in the search box and click the Search button. The hit list from WMS database displays. Once you click icon in front of material name, its sample list opens. As you drag a material over the workflow, the object border lines of workflow is highlighted, providing a visual clue as to where the material will be inserted when you drop it into place. You can specify the material as input, intermediate, byproduct, or output. After all stages and materials are registered, we will specify the detailed stage information. Once you click a stage icon in Workflow window, Stage window opens. It consists of 5 tabs: Information, Material, Precaution, Method, and Observation. In the Information tab, you can change stage name and specify stage icon. For example, select agitator icon for mixing stage and You register reference information related to the lab note. In the Material tab, you can register input, output, and other material using the experiment. The materials of Workflow window are automatically added. Additional material can be added by keyword search. Specify the quantity of material and select unit. Mole quantity is automatically calculated using Calculator button. Next, add precaution information, such as equipment constraint, precaution, or special requirement. For example, select agitator and then type RPM speed. Experiment method is added. Select agitation temperature and agitation time and then enter each value. Finally, experiment result is added as observation. For example, select conductivity and then type value of the parameter. You can choose the number of repeated experiments for each result item, up to 5. Each tab has note section. You can add unformatted information such as text, table, or image. To move next stage, click Next button, or select drop-down list. Once all data has been registered, close Stage window. When you click Save button, the lab note information is temporarily saved while keeping Register window. View button provides Save and View function. By now, we have learned how to register Workflow Labnote information. Thank you.